Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can play your Steam games on your iPhone. So for that you need to download this app called Steam Link. Now it's available in Play Store and App Store, so download it. After you download Steam Link, what you need to do is do this. So on your Steam on your PC, at the top left corner, there's going to be this Steam option. Click on it and click on where it says settings. Remote play, click on remote play, and from inside remote play, make sure remote play is on. Once the remote play is on, the next thing you need to do is open the app on your phone and click on get started. And make sure your Steam is connected to the same Wi-Fi. Both your phone and your desktop needs to be on the same Wi-Fi. Then it's going to show you your device. Click on the device and then it's going to send you this code. And make sure you open Steam and type this code. So my code is 2011. So on my Steam, it's going to show me something like this. So I need to type the code over here, 2011 like this, alright? Once I type the code, I need to click and confirm. And if the code I entered is correct over here, it's going to connect it to my desktop. Now I can start using my Steam from my phone over here. So it's going to take a bit of time for the connection to be okay. And as you guys can see, the connection has been stabilized. Once the connection is stabilized, I can click on start playing and I can start using Steam from my device. So right now my Wi-Fi is really slow, so it's taking me a bit of time for it to work. But if your Wi-Fi is really fast, as you guys can see, you can start playing Steam from your, mobile phone just like this. So I have the controller over here. I can do whatever I want. So yeah, that is basically how you guys can play Steam using your phone. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel. How to one step. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.